Hi, I'm Angel Nightingale. Welcome to my channel. Dive into a world of diverse content that enriches your mind and soul. Discover the benefits of herbs and spices, explore mini episodes for adults tackling real-life situations, and enjoy kids' stories and educational videos for all ages. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature with videos on animals and waterfalls and learn tips for skin and hair health. Plus, enjoy a variety of music to soothe your soul. Join our community and experience the magic of learning, nature, and wellness. Subscribe now and never miss an update.
Dark chocolate snack bites. I am one of those people who never travels more than 5 minutes from my house without packing some kind of snack, just in case. I go through heavy rotations of granola bars, trail mix, and most recently these dark chocolate bites. They're the perfect little nosh to help me power through a train delay or restaurant wait list without turning into a hungry zombie. Another use for your ice cube tray. The ice cube tray has proven its worth as a multi-use kitchen tool again and again. And here's one more: making chocolates. For this recipe, I prefer a silicone tray over a standard plastic tray because it makes it a little easier to get the chocolates out of the molds in one piece without breaking. Treat yourself to good chocolate. Go on, treat yourself to some good chocolate. Not only will your bites taste better, but good quality chocolate usually melts and resets much better than chocolate chips or other lower quality chocolate. This said, bites made with chocolate chips are better than no chocolate at all. So use what you have and enjoy eating. I use dark chocolate, but you could also make these bites with milk chocolate, white chocolate, or any percentage of dark chocolate that you like. Ingredients: 10 to 12 ounces good quality dark chocolate. Choose a few of the following: a few kinds of nuts like almonds, peanuts, pistachios, or cashews. A few kinds of dried fruit like cranberries, goji berries, cherries, blueberries, or apricots. Small seeds like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, or millet. Candied ginger, orange peel, or lemon peel. Coconut flakes. Equipment: 2 silicone ice cube trays, each with 15 small cube-shaped wells. Baking sheet for toasting the nuts. Mixing bowl. Chef's knife or serrated knife for chopping the chocolate. Microwave-safe measuring cup or a double boiler. Rubber spatula. Spoon. Instructions: prepare the ice cube trays. Make sure your ice cube tray is clean and completely dry. If you just washed it, let it air dry for a few hours before making your chocolate bites until all moisture has evaporated. Coat each of the wells lightly with non-stick baking spray. Toast the nuts. If you're using nuts, toast the nuts on a baking sheet for 5 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until slightly darkened and fragrant. Cool completely before using. Chop large ingredients. Roughly chop larger ingredients like nuts, large dried fruits, and long strips of candied ginger until they're pea-sized or smaller. Place the ingredients in separate bowls. Place all the dried fruit in one bowl, the chopped nuts in another bowl, and so on. This makes them easier to sprinkle evenly over the chocolate squares. Chop the chocolate. Chop the chocolate into small pieces no bigger than a chocolate chip. If you're using chocolate chips or discs, you don't need to chop the chocolate. Melt the chocolate. Transfer the chocolate to a microwave-safe measuring cup. Microwave at half power for 1 minute, then stir. Microwave another 20 seconds at half power and stir. Continue microwaving at half power and stirring every 20 seconds until only a few small lumps remain. Stir until the remaining lumps have melted. Alternatively, melt the chocolate using the double boiler method, or you can temper it. Divide the chocolate between all the wells of the ice cube tray. Fill the wells with just 1/4 to half an inch of chocolate, the equivalent of a tablespoon or 2. Sprinkle the toppings over the chocolate. Sprinkle a little of each topping over the chocolate. When finished, use your fingers or the back of a spoon to very gently press the toppings into the chocolate to make sure they stick. If you have any leftover melted chocolate, you can drizzle it over the tops of the bites. Let the chocolate set. The chocolates will set in a few hours at room temperature, Or you can place the trays in the fridge to help the chocolate set more quickly. Store the bites. Carefully pop the bites out of the ice cube tray. Thinner bites might crack if pressed in the middle, so be gentle. Transfer the bites to an airtight container. Store at room temperature for several weeks, or store in the fridge if your kitchen is very warm. Crispy chocolate chip cookies. Sure, there are chewy cookie fanatics out there, but they don't appreciate the joy of crunching into super crispy chocolate chip cookies, or dunking a crisp cookie into a glass of milk, or better yet, your morning mug of coffee. If crunchy cookies are more your style and you haven't been satisfied with the typical back-of-the-bag recipe, you have to check out our Test Kitchen's take. There's more to making crispy cookies than leaving them in the oven a little longer. In fact, creating the perfect chocolate chip cookie, in this case a crunchy one, requires a few modifications to the classic cookie recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup butter softened, 1½ cup sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2¼ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 cups 12 ounces semi-sweet chocolate chips. Directions: preheat oven to 325 degrees. In a large bowl, cream butter and sugar until blended. Add eggs and vanilla. Mix well. Combine flour, baking soda and salt. Gradually add to the creamed mixture and mix well. Stir in chocolate chips. Drop by rounded tablespoonfuls 2 inches apart onto ungreased baking sheets. Bake until lightly browned, 11 to 14 minutes. Cool for 2 minutes before removing to wire racks.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the best contents. Have a beautiful and blessed day to each and everyone.